I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have an Ubbi diaper pail, you're gonna want to check out these plastic bags from Ubbi. The diaper pail can use any garbage bags, but we decided to go ahead and buy these from Ubbi because they are lavender scented and it's just a clean look for our diaper pail. The cardboard box also acts as a bag dispenser, which is very convenient. The bags have a perforated line to rip them out with, which makes it easier, and they're easy to open. They have a nice thickness to them, and they're also the perfect size for the Ubbi diaper pail. We always change out the bag when it's full, and we've never had a problem with it ripping. It holds the heavy diapers very nicely, and you have plenty of room on top to tie a knot when you are going to take it out. These bags are not stretchy at all, which is great because these diapers can get pretty heavy, and these bags are very sturdy and does a great job holding them, and more importantly does a great job at holding the odor. So if you have an Ubbi diaper pail, you're going to want to consider getting these trash bags from Ubbi. They are a really nice quality, nicely scented, and it just helps control the odor in the home, and that's my point of view.